the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, quick run. Today we make some simple, easy smoked barbecue chicken breast at home. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming out for you. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, I got a few pieces of chicken breast and I'm gonna show you how you can do a smoked barbecue chicken breast. Very easy recipe. First thing I must say, we need to put some seasoning on it. I'm just gonna use my teaspoon of mixed herb. Who love herbs? I love my herbs. Look at that, beautiful. And so a little bit of coarse pepper. So it goes. Chicken season. Half teaspoon of chicken season. You must have chicken season at home. No one can tell me that they doesn't have chicken season at home. Chicken season always in their kitchen. And paprika or smoked paprika. Okay, it's true smoked chicken. It's smoked barbecue chicken breast, so we're gonna put some of that on it. A little bit of all-purpose season, not too much, just a pinch of the all-purpose season. And also some honey, roughly a teaspoon of honey. Pinch of olive oil. Virgin oil, that's what we're gonna use. We're gonna use some virgin oil in it. Nice one. Then we're gonna use some smoked barbecue sauce on it. You can get smoked barbecue sauce to buy at the local shop or supermarket. It's a quick recipe. A little bit of spring onion, white onion. Put on the gloves like this one and marinate up the chicken breast like this. Alright? Very easy recipe. This can be served with rice or with roast potato or boiled newly potato. I got a tray right here with a piece of greaseproof paper. All you're going to do is lay on it just like this. Alright. And we're not going to cook them until we're going to cook them about for about 20 minutes on a high temperature gas mark 9. You can marinate this from the day before if you like to. Very easy recipe. Put on that nice lovely onion. So what the onion gonna bring in a nice lovely flavor to it also. And what we might do is simply sprinkle a little bit of the barbecue, smoked barbecue sauce on it like this. Just a few more onion. This is some diced onion. Nice one. Little bit of honey. And pinch of mixed herb again. And bake this in the oven for 20-25 minutes. Alright, gas mark 9. If you're using a different oven, 175 is good for 25 to 30 minutes in the oven, the least I would say. It's chicken breast, very easy to cook. Preheat the oven first, guys. That's the most important thing you need to do, is to preheat the oven first. Alright, enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely, guys. As you can see, I just take the chicken from the oven, smoke barbecue chicken right here. Lovely and nice. I didn't put a lot of the barbecue sauce on it because I know it's very strong. I just put a little bit on it to give it a lovely color. But as you can see, looking lovely and nice. So what we're gonna do now is simple. Share it out. I make the fans them see how it look on the plate. Alright? Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely, guys. This is the way it look when I share it out, looking so lovely and nice. But anyway, as you can see, I share it out with some summer stir-fried veg and some rice, and that's the way it look on the plate. Easy one, done and dusted. You can have this for a lovely evening dinner. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show, and see you next time. Bye bye.